This new lottery campaign is called one-to-one. And what that means is it's a lottery campaign with one product in one ad group. For the one-to-one, what you're doing is you're going to have all of those products, but each in its own separate ad group. So that means you'll have your campaign, right? This is the campaign. And then the ad group is going to have 50 or 100 different ad groups. And so you can see this one just has 20 so far because I just turned it on. But here's what's so powerful about this. Once this data gets going, and there will be a follow-up video to this so you can actually see the results in a couple months. But once the data starts going, what you can do is now I can individually monitor each book. See, the downside of the generalized lottery campaigns is I can make an adjustment. If I go into my lottery campaign, see, I have one ad group. So if I go in there and I want to make an adjustment for one of my books, I can't because I have to make an adjustment to the entire ad group that has all of my books inside of it. So if if I want to, if there's this one book, let's find a book that's doing well here. Let's find one. Okay. So here. So this cookbook here has 48 clicks and 4 purchases for 7.8% ACoS. Bloody awesome. Okay. This is in the last month. I want to scale that. How do I scale that? I can't. And that's the issue. But what I can do inside my one-to-one lottery ad is I can go and I can open up said ad group. I can go into targeting, and now I can go in and I can adjust all the individual targets and bids, and it's only going to affect that one book. This is going to allow me to scale my lottery ads in a way I've never been able to manage them before. And that's what's so cool about this new way of running lottery ads. So like I said, I'm going to have a lot more information once I let this run for the next 2 months, because I'm just super, super excited to see, because that's always been a drawback when you see campaigns with 20, 30, 40 orders and it's like less than 10% ACoS. And you're like, I just want to scale you so bad. Right? But you can't because it's bundled with everything else. And if you make one change, it affects the entire campaign and all the other books and everything as well. But this doesn't. What do you guys think about that?